Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I have created this look. Actually I filmed this video before Christmas only, but I could not post it, so today I am posting it. So if you want to know how I have created this look, then keep on watching. And also if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, and follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Without further ado, let's get started with the makeup tutorial. First I am taking this O3 Plus Eye Circle Cream and taking it in my fingers. I am going to apply it under my eyes and around my mouth. This area tends to be a little bit pigmented and it becomes dry. So after that I am going to move into moisturizer. This is from Plunge by O3 Plus. This is the Bright and Light Moisturizer. After that I am going to move on to some lip balm. This is also from Plunge. Love Lip Hydra Lip Moisturizer in the shade Vanilla. Next I am going to move into primer. I am using this ELIXIR from Makeup Forever. Next I am going to move into foundation. For foundation I am going to use this Makeup Forever foundation. Before that I am going to use an illuminating product. I am using this Cover FX illuminating product. It fell on my dress though. So I applied it on the highest points of my face, near my cheekbones, nose, cupid bow, chin, little bit near my forehead, and then I have spread it on all over my face, and finally I look like a tin man. After that I am going to apply the foundation on all over my face indoors. So this illuminating product is going to make my face glowy. It is going to make the matte foundation glowy. It is because it is winter. I want a little bit of glow in my face, which has been lost because of the dryness of the winter. So yeah, after that I took this beauty blender and dab it on all over my face. Next I have applied a little bit of the more foundation, all the areas wherever I find like I need a little bit of more extra coverage. So all those areas I have applied the foundation and blended it with the beauty blender. Next I have taken this concealer from Makeup Forever and taking it with a brush, I'm going to apply it to get some extra coverage under my eyes, near my mouth, and also I have applied it to conceal my eyelids, and then blended everything using the pointed end of the makeup sponge so that everything looks flawless. I have a very even base. Next I am going to contour my face. I am going to take this Smashbox contour stick and using the contour shade I am going to apply it on the areas wherever I like to contour my face. And to bring some brightness and highlight my face, I have used the highlighting foundation end of the product and then blend everything using the makeup sponge. First I blended the highlighting shade and then I have moved into blending the contour shade. And I have used different parts of the beauty blender to blend different color or shade of products. So I'll mention the details of all the products in the description box below. Don't forget to check it out. Next I'm going to set my face. I'm going to use this Maybelline finishing loose powder in the shade number 30, and I'm going to use it under my eyes. Basically I as usual bake my under eyes, and whatever product is left in the brush I'm going to apply it on my eyelids and near my mouth. So I'm going to put this product on all over the areas wherever I have used a brightening product. Whatever left in the brush I'm going to apply it on my forehead also. Next I'm going to put excess of powder under my eyes, and if there is any fallout because of the eyeshadows I can remove this excess powder and I can remove the fallouts. For bronzing my face I'm going to take this powder from SKINgenius powder from Nykaa, and it is in the shade Cozy Chestnut, and it is a little bit darker than my skin tone, so I am going to apply it on all the areas wherever I have applied darker cream product to set that, and this is going to give a very beautiful bronze effect to my face. It's a very beautiful color for me. And taking a very small brush I am going to apply the same shade to contour my nose. I'm going to start it off from my brows and then I'm going to make two parallel lines near to my nose. Next, taking this L'Oreal Paris Brow Artist Xpert in the shade Ebony. It's a pencil. It has a spoolie at one end and another side you have the product. I have filled in my brows. This is the, I think, the darkest shade out of all this, and it is quite creamy. So I have filled in my brows using this product. I try to go lighter in the frontal section, and I try to make it more darker at the tail portion of my brows. I try to make 2 parallel lines and then fill it up. Same thing I'm going to do for my other eyebrow also. After I have fixed my brows, I'm going to move into this eyeshadow palette for my eyes. I'm going to take this NYX Your Elements eyeshadow in the shade Earth, and taking this peachy shade, I'm going to set my eyelids. This peachy shade is going to brighten up my eyelid, and also I'm going to have very even application of the later eyeshadows. Next, I'm going to take this darker brown shade and try to define my crease. That shade is a little bit darker, so I'm taking very little bit of the product and try to apply it on my crease. So if I take more product and try to blend it, it might be tough for me to blend it, so I am taking a little bit of the product and try to define my crease like this. Once I have defined my crease, I'm going to take this plummy shade, it is more darker than that, and apply it on my crease to further deepen up my crease. So I'm making a V here in the outer corners, and once I have made a V, whatever left in the brush, I'm trying to pull it to the inner corners of my eyelid. Same thing I'm going to do for my other eye also. Once I have blended the eyeshadow for both my eyes, I'm going to take this shade, which is lightly reddish shade, and I'm going to take a flat brush and fill it in the areas wherever I have kept it empty, mostly on the inner third of my eyelid, and I'm just going to pat it on all over my eyelid. This part is the base of my glitter. For glitter, I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution glitter and this NYX glitter primer. So I'm going to apply this glitter primer on my eyelid, and then taking the flat brush, I'm going to take the glitter pigment by Makeup Revolution and pat it on top of the glitter glue. So I'm going to apply this for both of my eyelid to get a very beautiful glittery effect. Then I'm going to remove off all the excess powder. This is going to remove all the excess of glitter that fell under my eyes. Next, I'm going to take this peachy shade and apply it to my lower lash line. Next, I'm going to take this deeper shade and taking a flat kind of brush, I'm going to apply this on my lower lash line. Next, I'm going to put this kajal from Sugar Cosmetics and apply it to tight line my upper and lower lash line, and also I'm going to apply a very thin layer of kajal close to my upper lash line, so that once I apply my lashes, my lash band gets covered because of this kajal. Now this kajal is very creamy. To set this creamy kajal, I'm going to take a flat brush and taking some eyeshadow, I'm going to set the creamy product. Next, for mascara, I'm going to use this Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara. For lashes, I'm going to use this pack M75 lashes. These are my favorite. For blush, I'm going to use this Nykaa blush. This is the Brazilian Bombshell. I'm going to take both of the shades present in the palette and apply it on the apples of my cheeks. For highlighter, I'm going to use a new highlighter. This is a Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Rose Gold. This is a new shade, very beautiful color. Next, for lips, I'm going to line my lips using this Wet n Wild gel lip liner in the shade Gone Burgundy. Also, I'm going to fill in my lips using this lip liner. Next, for lipstick, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Mega Lash Liquid Catsuit Metallic Lipstick in the shade I Don't Desert You. So it's a very beautiful metallic color. I'm going to apply it on all over my lips. Next, to set my face, I'm going to use this NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. on all over my face, excluding my eyes. So yeah, this is the finished look. So I just remove my hair and all, comb my hair a little bit. So I was happy with the lipstick and everything, but later I thought, okay, let me do some more modification of my lips. Might be my lips are looking less dimension, having less dimension, so I have added some dimension. I have added some highlighter, the Molten Rose Kohl from Maybelline, and pat it on the center portion of my lips to get some extra dimension. So yeah, this is the finished look. If you like this video, please hit on the like button. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye and Merry Christmas.